How to redeem your Temu gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Temu gift card. Now, if you have tried it or if you have tried to search for it, then you must have seen it that there is no any option itself to redeem the gift card on Temu. But there is a quick trick to it, however. First things first, you wanna open up Temu and you wanna head over to the checkout page. You want to first select the item that you wish to purchase and head over to cart, select the item and head over to checkout. Once under checkout now, as you can see here, if you scroll down below under payment section, you'll be able to see the option that says apply coupon code, but you won't be able to see the option to apply your gift card. Now, so the trick here is what you want to do is under payment methods, you want to select the option that says card. So you want to tap on card option and then tap on add a new card here. Now under card, what you want to do is you want to enter in your gift card number, the expiration date, the CVV here, and then enter in the billing address, and you want to add it to your card. So you'll have to add your gift card like any other payment cards and you're good to go, and you'll be able to use it if the balance on the card is enough. If it isn't enough, you won't be able to use it. So this way you can redeem your Temu gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.